Okay, welcome to this aspect of physics again. This is solution to Jamb, Waec, and Neco physics problems. And here we are going to see various solutions to various problems in physics from all aspects of physics. We are going to be looking at solution here. And here we are under motion, and what we want to look at under linear motion is what we have in the velocity time graph. The question is, the diagram above shows the velocity time graph of a vehicle. Its acceleration and deceleration respectively are. Now this is a Jamb question, and it is for 1999 question 7. That's 1999 question number 7 under Jamb question. Now how do you solve this question? Now the question here is talking about definition of acceleration and retardation. So let's see what we have in the solution part. Now for acceleration is equals to change in velocity over change in time. Change in velocity over change in time, that's v minus u over t. V minus u over t, and that t here is, let me say, delta t, change in time. And in that case you might have v minus u over t2 minus t1, and we have the parameters here. For here we have the final velocity, which is v, to be equal to 80 meter per second, as you can see on the graph, and the initial velocity, which is our u is equal to 0. So now we have our t2 is when the velocity is accomplished. Here the time, which is 20, that's 20, and we have t1, which is 0. Now substituting this into the equation, we have the acceleration to be equal to 80 minus 0, then divided by what we have here as t2, which is 20 minus 0, and that will give us 80 over 20, and that's 0 cancels 0, and this will give us 4 meter per second square. So we have everything here square per second 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 square. So that is the acceleration, 4 meter per second square. Now let's look at what the retardation is. For the retardation also we are having as a, still using the same formula, v minus u divided by t2 minus t1. Now at this point we could see that our v is when the body is decelerating. At this point v equals to 0 and u equals to 80 at that point. So here, because of retardation, we could see that our v, let's look at that first. Let's look at what v is actually talking about in that case. I want to see what v is actually talking. So from there we could see that v here is equals to 80. Sorry, v is equals to 0 there. V is equals to 0 because it's retarding, and our u is equals to 80. 0 meter per second and 80 meter per second. Now our t1, if you look at it at the point of decelerating, that's going to be where you have t1 and here you have our t2. So t1 here is 50 seconds, and t2 is 90 seconds. So substituting this, now we have 0 minus 80 equals to 50 minus 90, and this is going to be minus 80 over minus 40. 0 cancel 0, minus cancel minus, and that gives us 2 meter per second square. So acceleration is 4 meter per second square, while retardation is 2 meter per second square. So we have 4 meter per second square and 2 meter per second square, and that's option C. As you can see here, option C is what have that. So our 4 meter per second square giving or we've calculated it, and 2 meters per second square, you've also calculated it. So that's how to solve that question as you are given, as simple as it is in a demystify. Remember, this is coming from Covenant Achievers Academy, and here we solve various questions for you. Now check the description link. In the description link below this video, you are going to have the contact where you can be part of the ongoing online physics or science classes, where you are talking about the physics, chemistry, and also the mathematics that you'll be coming across in your various examination, be it Jamb, Waec, and Neco. I'll be expecting you to join the class and be part of this class to enjoy far more than what we have discussed for you in this video.